Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, where do house spiders live? A single spider going unseen is nothing to write home about, but if you're concerned about an entire infestation and want to inspect for spiders, then this is the video for you. The word house spider is more of a catch-all than it is a proper name. People will use the term to refer to a variety of different spiders found inside the home. Where you'll find spider activity depends on what type of spider you have, but there's a lot of overlap. So here are some common spots. Many spiders will establish themselves in the upper corners of attics, basements, closets, garages, storage sheds, and other seldom visited parts of the house. Other spiders may choose to hide where it's moist, like the kitchen, bathroom, or underneath sinks. Other spots also include crawl spaces, under stairs, walk-in closets, the mudroom, or any other location that can provide a spider with food and water. No matter where you're looking, always be on the lookout for these telltale signs: webbing, spider eggs, or even the spiders themselves. Be sure to stop by one of our stores or visit our website for professional products and tips you can use to prevent a spider infestation. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Be sure to stop by one of our stores or visit our website for professional products and tips you can use. Boy, that was tongue-tying for some reason.